everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on Brave browser. So to start, open Brave browser app on your phone. Now, once you open Brave browser, what you can do in here is to click on the three dots at the bottom right. Now in here, you'll see a lot of options. What you need to do is to tap on all settings. Now after that, you need to scroll down until you find the appearance button. So it's under the display tab. So in here, you'll see appearance just below the media button. So tap on appearance. And up here, you have automatic light mode, dark mode, and in here you have night mode. So to enable night mode, just toggle this on, and that's basically it. If it turns into purple, that means it's already enabled. If it's gray, that means it's turned off. So make sure you toggle this on. And also up here, you can also change it to light mode. You can change it to dark mode, and you can change it to automatic. And that's how you can enable night mode in Brave browser. So night mode will affect website appearance and general system appearance at the same time. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.